Hey there, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to see the newest comment of a YouTube video. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Whenever we watch any video on YouTube, we sometimes head towards the comments sections to know what others think about the video. But the recent comment may not be at the top of the comments section. YouTube allows you to arrange the comments. If you want to see the newest comment of a YouTube video, all you need to do is go to your web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now play any video. Scroll a little bit down to the comments section. Click on sort by button. Click on newest first. Now you can see the recent comments are on top. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.